In today's video, I'm going to show you a free extension that will help you manage your Joomla logs. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for it. Hey there Joomla fans, Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 304 here on the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Okay, let's turn attention over to the screen here, and we'll check out this free extension from Weebler.com. We go to Weebler.com, we go to Joomla extensions, mouse down to 4 logs. As you'll see, this works on Joomla 3, 4, and 5. Next, we're going to go over to downloads, and we'll scroll down to 4 logs and click the download button. We'll save it to our computer, and now we go into our Joomla site. This is the Joomla 5 site that I really need to reset for all of my demos here. We're going to go to System, Install Extensions, and we will just upload. We'll drag that extension that we just saved to our browser there. Once that is installed, we're going to go and we will see where we can read these logs. We'll go to System, scroll down to Plugins, and we're going to search for 4log. And there it is. We'll click and go in, and right away we'll see a bunch of logs that we can read and some things that we can do. For instance, you can view this error log. Handy dandy, just to read right there. We click close. You can download that error log if you want to share it with someone who was going to help you with the problem that you're having. Or once you've read it, if you're done with it, then go ahead and just delete it. We'll click to delete it. And as you can see further down, there are other logs that go along with other extensions. I installed Weebler's 4SEO and 4SEF, and you'll see that there are some log files here. For extensions that have multiple log files, you can delete all of the log files that go with that extension. Just simply go over, click on Delete Folder, delete it, and that's managed nice and tidy. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.